The microbiome is the collection of simple organisms that have co-evolved with all species on the planet, including humans, over the last many, many millions of years. By the time a child is between 2 and 3 years old, that child has a lot of bacterial or fungal cells. This collection of microorganisms that co-inhabit a human body with us perform very vital functions to the maintenance of human health and human illness.
Historically in medicine, we've thought of microbes as being bad. Over the 20th century, one of the most important discoveries was that you could use chemistries to stop those, in fact, rare microbes that are causing us disease. Over the past couple decades, what we've come to realize is that at every instant in our lives, the vast majority of microbes that we're interacting with are actually vital to our health. The realization of the role that microbiomes play in our health has been perhaps one of the most sensational areas of science in the past decade.
Each area of our body has its own unique microbiome. Our ear canals have one set of bacteria and fungi that live there. Our skin has resident bacteria that help keep our skin healthy. We also have a very large collection of microbiome in our large bowel.
The gut microbiome is made up of trillions and trillions of tiny little individual bacterial cells that represent hundreds of different species. Those trillions of bacteria in our gut help us to digest certain compounds.
In addition to providing us with more energy from the food that we consume, they help us fight pathogens or infections.
The health of the microbiome is intrinsically tied to your own health. There are a number of disease states which are inherently tied to the function of the microbiome and the structure of what's going on in there.
The peer-reviewed clinical literature and scientific literature has just exploded, implicating a healthy biome or an unhealthy biome in a wide range of human diseases, like autoimmune disease, metabolic syndrome, diabetes, obesity, etc.
There is a very complex structure and complex population to everyone's microbiome. But the bottom line is that they are serving the same function to human health, that broadly speaking, the services that your microbiome are providing to your body is the same as the services that it's providing to my body. And scientifically, the challenge then becomes, how do we figure out who are the primary drivers of those functions?
An analogy that we really like is that it's almost like we've just discovered a new human organ. If you think about it that way, the implications for medicine of the microbiome are vast. We have the opportunity to play a big role in creating therapeutics that potentially could touch millions of people's lives and prevent and treat a wide range of diseases that we don't have therapeutics for today.